Good morning, all of you. Today we will learn our next concept, that is the addition and subtraction of mixed number. Okay, in last lecture we have already studied about the conversion of mixed number into the improper fraction and conversion of improper fraction into the mixed number. In this lecture we will learn how to add and subtract mixed numbers. Okay, so our topic is addition and subtraction of mixed number. Okay, in this lecture we will add and subtract the mixed numbers. Okay, let's understand this concept by example with the help of example. First we will see how to add the mixed numbers. Okay, first we will take example, that is 5 and 1 by 2. Here we have to add two numbers. Therefore 5 and 1 by 2, and we take one more example, one more addition number, that is the 2 and 3 by 4. Okay, you can see here we have to add these two mixed numbers. Now see here, we know that 5 and 1 by 2. Here 5 and 1 by 2. In last lecture we have already studied about 5 and 1 by 2. How we will write the 5 and 1 by 2? Okay, 5 plus 1 by 2. 5 and 1 by 2 and 5 plus 1 by 2 are both are equals in values. Therefore 5 and 1 by 2 we can write it as 5 plus 1 by 2. Here you can see that denominator is absent. When denominator is absent, we consider it as 1. Okay, therefore 5 by 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, if the denominator absent, we will take it as 1. Every time if the denominator is absent, we will take it as 1. Therefore here we take 1. Now here we have to add these two numbers. Okay, now how we can add these two numbers? Okay, to addition of the fractions, to add the fractions, denominator must be same. Okay, what is our condition? To add the fractions, their denominator must be same. Okay, here denominator are different, 1 and 2. Therefore we will make it same. How we can make it same? Now find the number which is multiplied by 1, we get 2. ओके, असा नंबर फाइंड करायचा आहे की ज्याला 1 ने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यावर आपल्याला काय भेटेल? 2 भेटेल. ओके, सो when we multiply 1 by 2 we get 2. ओके, जेव्हा आपण 1 ला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करतो तेव्हा आपल्याला काय भेटतो? 2. मग जेव्हा आपल्याला जो डिनॉमिनेटर असतो ते जर इक्वल असेल ते इक्वल करायचे आहे, मग आपण डिनॉमिनेटरला एखाद्या नंबरने मल्टिप्लाय केलं, त्याच नंबरने न्यूमरेटरला पण करायचं असतं. मल्टिप्लाय बाय न्यूमरेटर and denominator. Okay, suppose we take 2, that is the 5 into 2 and 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2. 5 into 2, that is 10, and 2 ones are 2 plus 1 by 2. Now you can see here both the fractions have the same denominator. Therefore we add these numbers directly. That is 10 plus 1 by 2. Here 2 write only one time because 2 is common in both the fraction. Therefore take it as one time. Understand? Now 10 plus 1, that is 11 by 2. That is our answer. How we can add this 5 plus 1 by 2. Okay. There is another method to add these numbers, to add these fractions. See here. Here our number is 5 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Now that is our another method. You can see here there is no denominator. Denominator is absent. Therefore consider it as 1. When the denominator is absent, you must be considered it as 1. Now you can see here denominator are different, but we have to add this number. Now how we can add this number? Simply there is a simple procedure, that is cross multiply the numbers, cross multiply and multiply the denominators. Okay, remember this sign, that is the cross multiplication and multiplication of denominators. Now see here, meaning of first line, that is the cross multiplication, means what? Cross. Which are the numbers are in cross? That is the 5 and 2. Therefore multiply the numbers which are in cross. Therefore 5 into 2 we get 10. Middle sign, write that it as it is, that is the plus. Okay. Now next, cross. What is the cross? 1 into 1. We get 1. Now our denominator, what is the denominator? That is, this is the third step for denominator. Multiply these two numbers. That is the multiply two denominators. 2 into 1 we get 2. What is the answer? 10 plus 11. Sorry, 10 plus 1. 11 by 2. You can see here both the method. By using the both the method we get same answer. Therefore you can use any method, whatever easy. Okay, which is easy to you. You can use any method. Okay, that is the method for addition. First method, make the denominator equal by multiplying the sum number, or directly cross multiply the numbers, then we will get same answers. Okay, now concentrate here. Here we have to add this numbers, means these two numbers. Now see here, 5 and 1 by 2 we already done. For 5 and 1 by 2, 5 and 1 by 2 we will get 11 by 2. Therefore write it as 11 by 2. Okay, that is a method for 5 and 1 by 2, or we will write directly or solve here directly. Okay, you can see here our number is 5 and 1 by 2. Okay, then 5 and 1 by 2, how we can write 5 and 1 by 2? That is 5 plus 1 by 2. Okay, 5 plus 1 by 2. Second number is 2 and 3 by 4. That is 2 plus 3 by 4. Okay, I will tell you step by step by using the two methods. There are two methods. By using this method, how we can get the answer, and you can use any method. Okay, now you can see here 5 and 5 plus 1 by 2, 2 plus 3 by 4. Okay, now see here 5 plus 2. We know that when the denominator is absent, take it as 1. We already know that. But here simply 5 and 2 are not fraction number, as we see 5 and 2 not fraction numbers. When that is 1, then it becomes a fraction. Here we will add these two numbers directly. 5 plus 2. Okay, we will add directly. That is 5 plus 2. What we get? That is 7. And remaining numbers are 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Now here we will add 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. How we can add this number? We can add this number by two method, which I already learned. That is, the first is cross multiplication, or by making the denominator equal by multiplying the sum numbers. Okay, see here, cross multiply the numbers. 7 plus, suppose we take here the cross multiplication. It is very easy. You can see here, cross multiply the numbers. That is like this. Okay, our first cross is 1 into 4, that is 4. Our second cross is 3 into 2. Middle sign given as it is. Okay, our second cross is 3 into 2, we get 6. And 4 2s are 8. That is our last line. Okay, that is cross multiplication, and multiply the denominator and write at the denominator. Understand? Now you can see here 7 plus 4 by 4 plus 6, we will get 10 by 8. Understand? How we will get this? 4 ones are 4, 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Okay. Now here, that is our question. Now here we have to add This is improper fraction. Why? Because the value of numerator is greater than the value of denominator. Value of numerator is greater than the value of denominator. Understand? Therefore, this is the improper fraction. And we have to convert this into the proper fraction because we have to convert this number 10 by 8 into the proper fraction, and we know about the conversion of proper fraction into mixed number into the improper fraction and improper fraction into the mixed number. But here we have to convert this number into the proper fraction. Now you can see here we will simplify this 8 by 10. ओके, आपल्याला 8 by 10 हा सिम्प्लिफाय करायचा आहे. बघा कसं करायचं. 8 by 10 2 च्या टेबल मध्ये 8 पण येतो आणि 10 पण येतो, म्हणजे 2 ने दोघं पण नंबरला डिवाइड होतं. देयरफॉर डिवाइड दिस 2 5 जा 10 and 2 4 जा 8. Therefore 7 plus 5 by 4. Okay. Now you can see here again this is the improper fraction. 5 by 4 हा परत improper fraction आला आहे का? तर जो काही न्यूमरेटरची व्हॅल्यू आहे ती डिनॉमिनेटर पेक्षा ग्रेटर आहे. Therefore it is again improper fraction. Now we can write it as 1 plus 1 by 4. Okay. You can see here 5 by 4 we can write it as how 1 plus 1 by 4. Okay, here we have to add these two numbers. Denominator of 1 is absent, then take it as 1, that is the 1 by 1 plus 1 by 4. Okay, now we know that when we have to add two fractions, simply cross multiply. You will know both the methods now. Then here I can use the cross multiplication, which is easy to me. Therefore 4 into 1 4, 1 into 1 1, and 4 ones are 4, that is equal to 5 by 4. Okay, means we get our original value. म्हणजे बघा तुम्ही 5 by 4 असा लिहा काय तुम्हाला व्हॅल्यू सेम भेटणार आहे, पण आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे तो प्रॉपर फ्रॅक्शन मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचा आहे. म्हणून आपण त्याला काय कन्सिडर केलं 5 by 4 equal to 1 plus 1 by 4 च्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिलं, म्हणजे 1 plus 1 by 4. ओके, here 7 plus 1 plus 1 by 4. आपला जो काही 5 by 4 होता तो आपण 1 plus 1 by 4 च्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिला. आता बघा 7 plus 1 that is 8 plus 1 by 4. That is our proper number because the numerator value is less than the denominator value. Now you can see here 8 plus 1 by 4, how it can be written as 8 and 1 by 4. That is 8 and 1 by 4. That is our answer or addition these two numbers. Now we will see the next method, that is the method 2. Here we have to add this number, that is 5 and 1 by 2 plus 2 and 3 by 4. Okay, simply see this method. We know that 5 and 1 by 2 means what? 5 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 and 3 by 4 means 2 plus 3 by 4. Okay, now we have to add this number. Now you can see here what we have to do. We have to addition of this number directly. 5 plus 2 directly 7. Now here make this number as a fraction. 5, then there is value of denominator is absent, then take it as 1. Okay, therefore we take it as 1 and 2 by 1. Okay, now add these two numbers and these two numbers. Okay, now we have learned how to add the numbers by cross multiplication. Simply cross multiplication is very easy, like this. Cross the numbers, that is cross multiplication means 5 into 2, that is 10 plus, as it is 1 ones are 1 and 2 ones are 2. Now you can see here 3 ones are 3 plus 4 twos are or 2 fours are. You can do anything, 4 twos are or 2 fours are or 4 twos are. Okay, anything. Answer will be same, that is 8 upon 4 ones are 4. Okay, now 10 plus 1 11 by 2 plus that is also 11 by 4. Okay. Now here again we have to add these numbers. Here add this number. How we will add? Again cross multiplication. Multiply. Take the cross multiplication of numerator and denominator and multiply the denominator and write in denominator position. 11 into 4, that is the 44, plus 11 into 2, that is the 22 by 4 to the 8. Now you can see here 44 plus 66. Sorry, 44 plus 22, that is 66 by 8. Okay. 66 by 8. Now find the number which divides the both the number. असा नंबर फाइंड करा की ज्याने यांना डिवाइड होईल. म्हणजे ते इवन आहे म्हणजे इवन नंबरने डिवाइड होणार. 8 पण इवन आहे, 66 पण इवन आहे म्हणजे कोणत्या नंबरने डिवाइड होणार? इवन नंबरने. व्हाट इज अवर इवन नंबर? फर्स्ट नंबर that is 2. सपोज 2 ने डिवाइड आपला फर्स्ट इवन नंबर 0 आहे पण 0 ने तर डिवाइड होणार नाही. मग 2 घेतला. 2 ने डिवाइड होतं बघा. कसं होणार? 2 4 जा 8 and 2 3 जा 6, 2 3 जा 6. That is our answer, 33 by 4. Okay, 33 by 4. Now you think about this. Here answer is 8 and 1 by 4 and here answer is 33 by 4. Now you know that this is the mixed number and that is the improper fraction. We convert this improper fraction into mixed number because our question in the form of mixed number. Therefore, answer will be also in the form of mixed number. Now, convert this into mixed number. In last lecture, we have already studied about how to convert the improper fraction into the mixed number. So, let's convert it. 33 divided by 4. Now, 4 divides 33. Now you know that 4 8 are 32. Now 33 minus 32 we will get 1. Okay. Now our formula for conversion of improper fraction into the mixed number is QRD. That is the very simple formula, or Q plus RD. You will be like write anything. Okay, QRD. Suppose we take QRD. Now, Q means what? What is our question? Question is 8. Our question is 8. Our remainder is 1 and that is our divisor. Okay, it is our divisor. Now put the values of QRD. Okay, what is the value of Q? That is the 8. Okay, 8, then R 1 and what is the value of D? That is 4. Now you can see 8 and 1 by 4 and that is also 8 and 1 by 4. Both the method gives same answer. You can use any method which is easy to you. Okay, तुम्ही कोणती पण मेथड यूज करा, आन्सर सेम येणार आहे. फक्त इथे काय करायचं, इथे आपण डायरेक्टली ऍड करतो 5 and 2. इथे जर आपण त्यांना फ्रॅक्शन मध्ये कन्वर्ट केलं म्हणजे आपणला न्यूमरेटर डिनॉमिनेटर दिला तर आपण क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करून ऍडिशन करतो तर आपल्याला इम्प्रॉपर फ्रॅक्शन भेटतो खाली जेव्हा आन्सर येते तेव्हा. आणि त्या इम्प्रॉपर फ्रॅक्शनला आपल्याला कसं कन्वर्ट करायचं असतं, मिक्स्ड नंबर मध्ये. म्हणजे इथे थोडाफार वेळ जास्त लागू शकतो ऍज कम्पेअर टू द मेथड फर्स्ट. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो इझी, दिस इज ऑल्सो इझी. You can refer anything. Okay, now see the next example to add this number. Okay, now we will see the next example. Suppose we take the next example from the practice set, that is suppose 6 and 1 by 3, that is our example number 2, and 2 and 1 by 3. Okay, here again we have to add these two numbers and now you will understand how to add these mixed numbers. Okay, see how we can add. 6 and 1 by 3 means 6 plus 1 by 3. 2 and 1 by 3 means plus sign as it is 2 plus 1 by 3. Now add these two numbers, that is the numbers which are natural number, whole number, whatever it may be. That is 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now here you can see that both the rational numbers, both the fractions have same denominator. Both the fractions have same denominator, therefore add this number directly, because to add the fractions we make same denominator or we want same denominator, but here already denominators are same, therefore we directly add the numbers. That is how, see here, 8 plus 1 plus 1, that is 2, and the denominator is common, therefore it will be take 1 time, that is 3. And how it can be written as 8 and 2 by 3. That is our answer. It is very simple. That is our answer. Understand how we can solve the addition of mixed numbers? It is very easy. Okay. Now we will take one more example. Suppose next example we will take. This is also solved by method number 2. Okay. We can also solve this by method number 2. I can show you again how we can solve that method number 2. Our second method, by using second method, our number is 6 and 1 by 3 plus 2 and 1 by 3. Okay, in second method, how we can write it as 6 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 plus 1 by 3. Here, denominator is absent, take it as 1, that is 1 plus by 3. Now here also denominator is absent, therefore take it as 1, 2 and 1 plus 1 by 3. Okay, now you can see here we have to add these numbers. What we can do? Cross multiplication. Okay, that is 6 into 3, 18 plus 1 ones are 1. Okay, 6 into 3, 18 plus 1 ones are 1 and 3 into 1, 3. Plus sign add it. Again from the cross multiplication, that is 2 into 3, 6. 1 ones are 1 and 3 ones are 3. Okay. Now you can see here 18 plus 1, that is the 19 by 3 plus 6 plus 1, that is the 7 by 3. Now here you can see 26 by 3. Now 26 by 3. 26 is improper fraction. Improper fraction, why? Because 26 is greater than 3, means our numerator value is greater than the denominator value. Therefore, we have to convert this improper fraction into the proper fraction. Okay, or mixed number. Sorry, we have to convert it mixed number. Now, okay, here what we have to do, that is our number is 6 and 1 by 3 plus 2 and 1 by 3. Add this number 6 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 plus 1 by 3. Denominator is absent, therefore take it as 1 and cross multiply 6 into 3, 18 plus 1 ones are 1 upon 3. 3 twos are 6 plus 1 ones are 1 upon 3 ones are 3. 18 plus 1, 19 by 3, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. 19 plus 7, that is the 26 by 3. 26 by 3 is the improper number and we have to convert the improper number into mixed number. So let's see how we can do it. Okay. 3 divides 26. How we can write this? 3 8s are 24. Okay. Okay, understand? Now, how we can write here? Subtract this number. Okay, that is 2. Our remainder is 2. Sorry, that is our question and that is our divisor. Okay, now what is the formula for conversion of mixed number? That is Q R by D. Put the values of Q, that is 8. What is the value of R? That is 2. And what is the value of D? That is 3. 8 and 2 by 3. Now you can see both the method gives same answer. Therefore, you can use any method. This is the time consuming method. Simply too much, not too much, but less time. It is very simple. बघा खूप कमी वेळात आन्सर येतं. इथे थोडंसं कन्वर्जन करावं लागतं आपल्याला इम्प्रॉपरचं, बाकी काही नाही. तुम्ही कोणतीही यूज करू शकता. ओके, नाउ हियर वी विल learn the subtraction of numbers, subtraction of mixed number. आता आपण काय बघितलं होतं इतक्यात की addition of numbers. Now we will learn how to subtract the numbers. Okay, how to subtract the numbers. Suppose we take example that is 3 and 2 by 5. Okay, here we have studied about the addition of numbers, and now we will take example for the subtraction of numbers. That is, okay, 3 and 2 by 5 minus 2 and 1 by 7. Okay, there are also two methods for solving subtraction problem into the subtraction into mixed number. That is, for subtraction of mixed number, that there is also two methods. We can see here. What is our first method? How we can write it as 3 plus 2 by 5. Okay, minus sign and it is 2 is written as 2 plus 1 by 7. Okay, now 3 plus 2 by 5. Okay, and we have to subtract this bracket, means minus. Therefore, minus 2. Now plus minus will be minus. Okay, plus minus will be minus, that is minus 1 by 7. Now means what we have, 3 minus 2. Okay, we subtract these numbers directly. Therefore 3 minus 2 plus sign as it is 2 by 5 minus 1 by 7. Okay, 3 minus 2 equal to 1 plus. Here we have to subtract two fractions, and we know that how we can add the fractions, that is the cross multiplying and multiply the denominator and write at the denominator position. And here we have to subtract the two fractions by using same method. You can see here 2 by 5 minus 1 by 7. Addition and subtraction of fraction done by same method, that is a cross multiplying or make the denominator equal. Suppose we take here cross multiplication. 7 into 2, 14 minus 5 ones are 5 and 5 into 7, 35. Okay, 14 minus 9. Sorry, 14 minus 5. That is 9 by 35. Okay. 14 minus 5, that is 9 by 35. That is our answer of this. That is 9 by 35. How we can written as 1 and 9 by 35. Okay, that is our answer. We will write like this. Okay, now see our second method. Our second method, second. Okay, see what is our number, that is 3, 2 by 5 and minus 2 and 1 by 7. How we can write this? 3 plus 2 by 5 minus 2 plus 1 by 7. Then add these numbers. Okay, we know that when the denominator is absent, take it as 1 plus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 1 plus 1 by 7. Now we have to add these numbers. तुम्हाला हे numbers add करायचे आहे, and we know that the addition of fractions, cross multiplying the numbers or by making the denominator equal. Here we will use cross multiplication, that is 5 3s are 15 plus 2 1s are 2 and 5 1s are 5 minus 2 1s are 7 2s are 14 plus 1 1s are 1 and 7 1s are 7. You can see here 5 plus 2, that is the 70. Okay, here multiplication of denominator 7 1s are 7. Okay, and here 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 15 plus 2, that is the 17, minus 14 plus, that is the 15 by 7. Okay. Here again we have to subtract the fractions. जे काही फ्रॅक्शन्स आलेले आहे ते आपल्याला आता काय करायचे आहे, सबट्रॅक्ट करायचे आहे. बघा कसे करायचे. क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन. Subtraction is also done by the cross multiplication and multiplication of denominator. So cross multiplication, 17 into 7, we get 119. 7 sevens are 49, 9 as it is, then 4 is carry, 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 4, that is 11, and minus 15 fives are 75. Okay. What is 190 minus 75, and that is 35. Okay. 190 minus 75 upon 35. What we have to do here? Cross multiply the numbers and multiply the denominators. Understand? Therefore, subtract these numbers. What we get? 190 minus 75, that is the 45 by 35. Okay, you can see here, this is again the improper fraction. We have to convert this fraction into the mixed numbers. Then how we can convert? Simply by division method, 35 and 44. Okay. Then you can see here, 35 ones are 35. Okay, 35 ones are 35. Then 44 minus 35. Okay, 44 minus 35, what we get? Suppose one carry here, 14 minus 5, that is the 9, and this is, we get 4 minus 4, that is 0. Means this is our question, this is our remainder, and this is our divisor. What is our formula? Q R upon B. Then what is our Q? Q is 1, R is 9, and B is 35. That is our answer. 1 and 3 upon 9 upon 35. And you can see here both the method gives same answer. You can use any method like this, or you can use this method. Understand? Now take one more example of this method. Suppose we will take the next example from the practice set. 3 and 1 by 3 minus 1 and 1 by 4. Okay. Suppose that is our example, or we take any example from practice set. Okay. So 3 and 1 by 3. I can use here for first method. So you can use any method. 3 plus 1 by 3 and minus 1 plus 1 by 4. Okay. Here we have to subtract this. Then how we can write? 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Now subtract these numbers. That is 3 minus 1. Okay. Here we have done 3 minus 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. 3 minus 1, that is 2, plus we have to subtract these numbers, means we will done by cross multiplication. Okay. So 2 plus 4 ones are 4, minus as it is 3 ones are 3, and multiplication of denominator, that is 4 into 3, that is 12. What we get? 2 plus 4 minus 3 by 12 means 2 plus 1 by 12, and what is our answer? 2 and 1 by 12. Understand? This is simply our answer. Very easy methods. Subtraction करायचे आहे. तुम्ही कसे डायरेक्टली लिहू शकता. आता हे सपोज असं आहे 3 and 1 by 3 minus 1 and 1 by 4. That is our example for subtraction. So directly subtract the number, natural numbers or whole numbers, 3 minus 1. Give the plus sign between them and 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Okay, this step. Okay, you directly write as 3 minus 1 and 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 and add this 2. Okay, this is also you will write, and by using this method you can also write. Now suppose we will take the next example from the practice set, that is, okay, our next example like 7, 1 by 2 minus 3 and 1 by 5. Okay, that is our next example. Simply what we have to do, like first 7 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 1 by 5. Here you can see that directly subtract like this, 7 minus 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5. Now 7 minus 3, that is 4, plus subtraction of fractions. What we have to do? Cross multiplication of numbers. Then cross multiply, 5 ones are 5 minus 2 ones are 2 and 5 twos are 10. Okay, what we get? 4 plus 5 minus 2, that is 3 by 10. And how we can write it as 4 and 3 by 10. That is our answer, subtraction of mixed numbers. It is very simple. Okay, you can try other example for your homework. That is very easy. Now we will see one more word problem from practice set. Okay, आपण आता word problem बघूया practice set मधनं. Our example is question number 3, practice set 10, that is, Suyash brought 2.5 kg of sugar and Ashish brought 3.5 kg. How much sugar did they buy together? If sugar cost 32 rupees per kg, how much did they spend on sugar they brought? Okay, बघा इथे काय आहे की सुयशने किती शुगर खरेदी केलेली आहे, घेतलेली आहे 2.5 kg. ओके, and आशिषने किती केलेली आहे 3.5 kg. Then here we have to find out the total sugar. Okay, so we have to find out total sugar brought by whom? That is Suyash and Ashish. Okay, Ashish, total sugar brought by Suyash and Ashish. Now total means we have to add this number. Now how many sugar brought by Suyash? That is 2.5. And we have to find out total. Therefore, we add both the sugars which they are brought. That is, and Ashish brought 3.5 kg. Now we will see add this number. How we can add 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 plus 1 by 2. Now simply add 2 plus 3, that is 5, plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now you can see here both the fractions have the same denominator, therefore add directly there, that is 5 plus 1 plus 1 2, and take the denominator common, that is 2. Okay, so see here 5 plus, here simplify this, 2 ones are 2, therefore we get 1, 5 plus 1 6 kg sugar. Okay, together they brought how many? 6 kg sugar. And if the cost of 1 kg sugar is 32 rupees, then given is 32. Okay, 32 rupees. Then we have to find out the cost of 6 kg sugar. Okay. Suppose here we have to find out the cost of 6 kg sugar. That is cost of 6 kg sugar. cost of 1 kg sugar is how many? That is 32 rupees. And here we have to find out cost of 6 kg sugar. Okay, that is simply 32 into 6. What we get? 6 2s are 12. 1 carry over. 6 3s are 18. And that is 190 rupees. Okay, म्हणजे त्यांनी 6 kg sugar कितीला आणली? 192 rupees ला. Understand this example? That is word problem which is given in problem set. You can try to solve other examples. Second example आपण just overlook करूयात. बघा, Aradhya grows potato in 2/5 part of her garden, greens in 1/3 part of brinjals, and the remaining part and brinjals in the remaining part. On how much of her plot did she plant brinjals? Okay, बघा आराध्याने काय केलेलं आहे? 2/5 पार्ट मध्ये काय केलेलं आहे? पोटॅटोज ग्रोज केलेले आहे. ओके, 2/5 part of garden. Okay, now and what is the next? Potatoes grows in 2/5 part of garden. Then next is greens in 1/3 part of garden. Okay, greens grows in 1/3 part of garden. And here they ask you to find out the garden, place a part of garden in which brinjals are grown. Okay, we have to find the part of garden in which brinjals grows. Okay, आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचे की किती पार्ट मध्ये ब्रिंजल्स ग्रोज करेल, ब्रिंजल ग्रो करेल तिथे ती लावेल. आता बघा हे कसे सॉल्व करणार? पोटॅटो ग्रोज इन 2/5 पार्ट, ग्रीन्स इन 1/3 पार्ट and ब्रिंजल साठी किती पार्ट रिमेनिंग राहील हे आपल्याला फाइंड करायचे. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट 2/5 that is the potatoes, greens and brinjals are all in one garden or all are in grows in one garden. म्हणजे तिने सगळे जे काय आहे ते एकाच गार्डन मध्ये लावलेलं आहे. बरोबर, म्हणजे मग आपण कसं करणार? सपोज पार्ट ऑफ गार्डन इन व्हिच ब्रिंजल ग्रोज इन, सपोज आपण लिहिले पार्ट ऑफ गार्डन इन व्हिच ब्रिंजल ग्रोज बी एक्स कन्सिडर केला आपण. ओके, तो पार्ट काय कन्सिडर केला? एक्स. So what is first part is 2/5 plus 1/3 plus third part मध्ये ती ब्रिंजल्स करणार. तो माहित नाही म्हणून आपण काय घेतला? x केला. then total 1 पुन्हा सगळं ती एकाच गार्डन मध्ये लावणार ना, असं थोडी की वेगवेगळ्या गार्डन मध्ये जाऊन लावणार. सो एकाच गार्डन मध्ये तिने ते पार्ट करून लावलेलं आहे. बघा मग आपल्याला x ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची आहे. सो ऍड दिस नंबर्स. सो 2 3s are 6 plus 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15 plus x equal to 1. 6 plus 5 that is 11/15 plus x equal to 1. Here we have to find out the value of x. Therefore shift 11/15 towards the right hand side, that is the x equal to 1 minus 11/15 and x equal to 15 minus 11/15, that is x equal to 4/15. म्हणजे ती किती पार्ट मध्ये ग्रोज करणार? 4/15 पार्ट मध्ये ती ब्रिंजल्स ग्रोज करणार. अंडरस्टँड? दॅट इज अवर आन्सर. ब्रिंजल्स ग्रोज इन, वी कॅन राइट इन like inward brinjals are grows in 4 by 15 part of garden. Okay, understand? This is very simple. Now you can see the last example, that is the Sandeep filled water in 4 by 7 of empty tank. After that, Ramakant filled 1 by 4 part more of the same tank, and Umesh used 3 by 14 part of the tank to water the garden. If the tank has the maximum capacity of 560 liters, how many liter water will be left in the tank? Okay, म्हणजे बघा इथे काय केलेलं आहे, संदीपने 4 by 7 जी टँक होती त्यात पाणी भरलेलं आहे 4 by पार्ट, एम्प्टी टँक मध्ये 4 by 7 पाणी भरलेलं आहे तितकं पार्ट. त्यानंतर रमाकांतने 1 by 4 पार्ट भरलं पाणी त्यामध्ये, आणि उमेशने 3 by 14 पार्ट कशासाठी यूज केलं, गार्डनला पाणी देण्यासाठी यूज केलं. तर आपल्याला हे फाइंड करायचं आहे की टोटल किती राहिलं, पाणी किती शिल्लक राहिलं हे आपण बघूया. ओके, that is our example number 3, tank filled with water. ओके, फर्स्ट पार्ट आहे कशा कोणी किती पाणी, संदीपने किती दिले आहे 4 by 7, रमाकांतने 1 by 4 आणि 3 by 14 त्यातलं यूज केलं. ओके, म्हणजे दॅट इज द 4 by 7 which is then 1 by 4 आणि यूज किती केलेलं आहे 3 by 14 means त्यातनं किती झालं, सबट्रॅक्ट झालं. ते का तर ते यूज केलं गेलं ना, त्याला वन ऍड केलं. They fill the tank with this water, but 3 by 14 of water used to water the garden. Then add these numbers, that is the 4 4s are 60, 7 1s are 7, and 7 4s are 28. That is 14. Okay. Now you can see that 16 plus 7, what we get? 16 plus 7 we get 23. Okay, 7. Okay, understand? That is 23. Now next you can see this. Okay, then we have to subtract this number. When we have cross multiplied these numbers, then multiplication to be more, so make the denominator same. Okay, like 23 upon 8 minus 3 into 2 and 14 into 2, we get 28. Understand? Therefore 23 upon 28 minus 3 to the 6 upon 28. Okay, that is our. Now 23 minus 6. 23 minus 6, what we get? Okay, here we have 26 minus, that is 7, and 1 here, that is the 17. Okay, now that is the 17 by 28th part of tank remaining. Okay, water is remaining. Now if the capacity of tank is 560, then we have to count the in liters, that is 17 upon 28 into 560. आपल्याला किती रिमेनिंग राहिलेला आहे हे लिटर्स मध्ये फाइंड करायचं आहे. बघा मग 21 28 21 8 चा 21 and 21 2 चा 56, 17 into 20, that is 340 liters. ओके, कळलं तुम्हाला किती पाणी शिल्लक राहिलेलं आहे. हे पाणी त्या दोघांनी टँक मध्ये टाकलेलं होतं. बोथ आर फिल्ड द वॉटर टँक विथ दिस 4 by 7 and 1 by 4 part of water tank. Then 3 by 4 3 by 14 part was used to water the garden. Then we add this and subtract this, therefore we will get 17 by 28 part of water tank which is remaining. We have to find in liters. Therefore the capacity of water tank is 516 liters, and here when we multiply this we get 314 liters remaining in the what to tell. Understand this concept of how to add and subtract the mixed number. Therefore, we will stop here.